you are, motherfucker. Hey, it's your girl Kathy, and I got some brand new shit. You better peep this. My shit don't stick. What are you making eggs? Or you cooking for robots? Beep, boop, beep. Most people can't stand this sound, but I can listen to it forever. Watch me now. Hey, even lift, bro. Speed bump! Woo! Look out, Spider-Man! I got that symbiote. Yeah, I bet you want some of that sticky monkey red, monkey-looking motherfucker. Me? Well, you know I like to keep my monkey hot. Now, don't burn yourself now, because that shit's fire. Then I slide into the plate like...
Perfect.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Please, one favor for me.
Oh my gosh! What is that? Look at this high-ass Dorito with eyeballs! This motherfucker has the nerve to be balding with this Brussels sprouts fade he got. This dude has a belly button for an ear and one pencil stroke for a mouth. But look how much detail this motherfucker eyeballs get. They played him! Speaking of fade, look at this dude just kicking it in this orange cream faded ass shirt. This Tony the Tiger shirt. Man, I'm kind of hating y'all. This shit kind of fresh though. These fake ass Mario Brothers. And look at Ferb fake ass avoiding eye contact like I'm not gonna roast that big beanstalk head he got. And here come y'all in the comments. Berlizzi, y'all head long as f*** though. I know my head long. I can't help it.